Namaste. I'm Italiani back to talk about the lessons learned in my life. And I'm still sticking to the same topic, how I stay motivated. And staying motivated is a foundation of a meaningful life. In my previous sessions, I shared what I learned and what I believe and what I practice. I said I learned that being kind, maintaining my integrity, um, practicing humility, and being compassionate, being helpful. All these are very important to stay motivated. And not only that, I even said, as I stay motivated, I practice this day in and day out. I've seen how support system or support comes from unexpected places and how respecting an ordinary person or any person, as a matter of fact, for who he or she is, has motivated me and motivated them also. Now, coming to the important aspect of motivating others. As a leader, as an elder in the house, it becomes a very, very, very key task for us to motivate others around us. This is what I learned and I live up to. There are times when people come so demotivated or so lost, then I help them seek their own purpose. There are people who come and say, I've done this all through my life, but nothing is of any use what I have done. My life is meaningless. They come with such kind of, it's the worst feeling. I think most of us go through that. And that's when one has to act with sincerity. I learned when I go through that, I become sincere where I went wrong or what is going wrong. And at the same time, I embrace my inner strength. Many a times people have only condemned me for being a weakness or for being whatever I am today. But I turned that to my inner strength. What appeared to be a weakness or a taunting point or condemning point for people, it is my strength. I believe that by modeling, by showing you are kind, you're compassionate, you work with integrity or you live with integrity, actually we are creating a ripple effect. It's very, very, very important to practice what we preach and preach what we practice. I can't keep being mad at somebody, be angry with somebody, and tell, okay, forget about the resentment towards that person, forgive that person, and move on when I have no forgiveness for anybody in my heart. Am I making sense? Many a times I teach to my nephews and niece. I tell them, they come with stories as to how they've gone through whatever bullying or whatever thing they feel it's not correct for them. Then when I give them the advice, did you practice it? Is the first question they ask. Obviously, they are asking because they want to know some lifetime examples so that they can practice it. If she could do it, I can do it. Types. So you got to live by being an example. That's another way of creating ripple effect. Ultimately, it became a purpose in my life to motivate others, to build a supportive system around me so that people will seek me when they need any kind of support, they'll seek me. And that time I'm able to give an apt response for them, a relatable and what do I say? Practicable response. I I cannot say that I've gone through everything in my life so that I can help them out or encourage them over there. But at least if I'm able to relate, I'll be able to be a great help for them. Am I making sense or is it just jargons? Ultimately, motivating others is about building a supportive community and reminding everyone that their actions, their choices, their behavior, their response, their kindness, their compassion, it truly matters. Not just for them, for everyone around them. So, these are some of the ways we can motivate others. These are some of the ways we can encourage others to stay motivated. Practicing what we preach is the biggest way of helping people to stay motivated. Ultimately, I can say through this motivational session, what I've learned is what I believe, what I practice, and how I inspire others. It's easy said. It's very difficult to follow, but still make it a point to follow it. Live it up. Live it up for doing this. And trust me, you yourself will see that without you intervening or lecturing or guiding or talking, you're motivating people day in and day out. Think about it and let me know your experience. Namaste. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.